Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka Jay Chanelli on the internet. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are getting into our sweat proof makeup look for summer, and yes, this is sweat test approved. Okay, so if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you'll see that we're going to do a sweat test so you can know your face is going to stay on. Okay, remember to hit that subscribe button while you're here if you're enjoying what you're seeing. Also hit that notification button so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. Right now, I'm going in with my basics. These are the products that I always use. I will be sure to link them in the description box below. But all we did was prime and then go in with our Fenty concealer because we are going to keep the face makeup as minimal as possible. Now we're going in with the Fenty Skin Tint in the shade 16. Yes, I'm using the shade 16, the one that y'all said was going to make me look casket ready. And look at me, not looking like a casket. Okay, so we are going to go in with the skin tint again, keeping everything nice and airy, but we're still going to get that coverage, and that's on period. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty concealer. This is in the shade 350 to highlight them bags. Okay, y'all gonna notice that there are a lot of Fenty products in this video, and that's because Fenty keeps your girl matte. Okay, she keeps your girl set, and that's how Rihanna designed it. Of course, when she's on stage, she's under a whole bunch of lights, she needs her face to stay on, so it stays on for me and it stays on for her. So we good over here. You're gonna see a lot of Fenty. You may see some Mented pop up in there, but again, all of these products will be listed / linked in the description box below. And I think right now I'm actually setting my face with the Mented Blue Setting Powder, and now I'm going into the Fenty powder foundation and setting my face with the powder foundation. This is a step I usually do not do. You know that if you watch my last glowy, how to keep my super glowy skin makeup look. You know I usually don't set my face, but in the summertime, honey, yeah, go ahead and lock it down with some powder, okay? Gonna go in with the Fenty bronzer in Caramel Cutie, followed by the Mented blush in Peach for the Stars. Oh, I'm talking way too fast, child. This is the bronzer, and this is the blush, okay? I'm gonna set my face with the Milani Skin, whatever it's called, but you're gonna see me spray a lot of this. I'm locking that face in, okay? And of course, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit before I go in with my highlighter. Again, Fenty, how many carats? We went ahead and did our eyelashes and our eyebrows off camera because honestly, I don't do anything different or special for that. And I'm just putting on a Fenty gloss. I think this is in the color Baby Root, okay? So this is the very, very, very simple sweat-proof makeup look for the summertime, okay? So as y'all can see, we're not doing too much. We still look very natural. You can get close. It still looks very, very good. And I promise you, it's going to last through the sweat. So I wanted to go ahead and do a sweat test for y'all. So I got my behind on the elliptical. And I stayed on the elliptical until I started sweating. I just want y'all to know I did this for you because I don't be touching that elliptical. So I was on the elliptical for about like 10-ish, 15 minutes maybe, and you're gonna see that my face is starting to glisten, okay? Y'all see the sweat. I know y'all see it. I didn't do any touch-ups, literally did not touch my face. I just sat there and let the sweat dry up. And as you will see in the next clip, our face looks amazing, okay? So sweat test approved. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.